Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and thank you so much for clicking this video. On this channel, you'll find great tips to clean and improve your home in a fast and efficient way. Thank you so much for joining me today. And as you can see from the title, today we're going to be cleaning the floorboards. Around to see how I use these products to clean my floors and my floorboards. So to basically clean your floorboards and your floors, you might as well start by clearing the floor. So either hoover the floor or give it a quick sweep using a broom. And feel free to move around some furniture. So this was some of the dust that was hidden underneath the sofa. Sometimes you might need to bend down a little bit just to get all the dust. So I'm now going to pour some water into my bucket, and I normally use very hot boiling water. So I normally use 2.5 cupfuls of the sieve floor cleaner or any floor cleaner. This is the mop that I use. I love this mop so much. It works really well on my floors. What I love about this mop is that I can use it to clean the floorboards. So just turn it to the side, like so, and then I just clean the floorboards. I hope this video gives you the motivation that you've been looking for to clean your floors and especially the floorboards, because they are one of the most neglected places around the house. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are cleaning along with me, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So this is the kitchen boards now. So again, I just turn it on the side, like so. So now I'm going to pour all the dirty water from the bucket into the toilet, and I'm going to rinse the bucket and get some more water to do the floorboards. So when it comes to floorboards, today I'm going to be using the Flash Natural French Soap. Into the Flash soap, and I've just, because this is So this is a new cloth that I found. It's called the sponge. It's meant to work really well when removing dust when you're using wet drying. Is it wet dusting? Sorry, you're doing wet dusting. So it's called a sponge, and I picked this up from Aldi. It works really well, as you can see. So the sponge works really well removing dust off the floorboards. Wet dust removing. But if you think your floorboards are really bad, then you could use the pink stuff just to remove all the marks and stuff, and a Minke scrubber. So just pour a little bit. That's actually quite a lot, but yeah. The base of my floorboard in the kitchen. I'm just going to clean that using my Minke scrubber and a little bit of the pink stuff if things don't come off. But let's see how well this works. Oh. Fab. Look at that. It's actually come off. It's only just using the Flash natural soap all the areas. And this is what it looks like at the end. But yeah, so you don't really need a lot of products. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Showing you how you can clean your floorboards using a bucket, Minke scrubber, a sponge or any microfiber cloth, and just some soap or the pink stuff cream cleaner. So these are all the products that I use to clean my floorboards. These are all the products that I use to clean my floorboards. So depending on how messy and how messy or how dirty the floorboard is, I'll go accordingly. If the floorboard is not too bad, I'll use just the Flash. If they're really bad, I will use the pink stuff and a Minke scrubber and just a microfiber cloth or the new sponge cloths and a bucket. And that's it. Or occasionally, if the floor permits it, I will use my Veleda mop and bucket. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.